Hi, this is a short video to talk about the stock market game. So in our class we have a stock trading competition that is 40% of your grade. And I see that 57 out of 60 students have signed up, which is good. Here are the instructions under announcements on how to join the simulation, and make sure that when you use the password, it's case sensitive, so you have to use uppercase letters as shown here. And once you register, you can begin trading, and I'm expecting you to make 5 trades a week. And if you buy a stock, that's 1 trade. You sell a stock, that's 1 trade. You could buy and sell the same stock, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. That's 5 trades on the same stock. So it doesn't have to be different stocks, but it should be hopefully different stocks. But I'm looking for you to be active and make trades and be engaged in the trading competition. So let's switch over to the trading competition. I do have 2 videos here from past classes that you can watch to give you some ideas about what stocks should trade and things like that. So when we go over to the Marketwatch here, we see that I have an account as well, but it's for demonstration purposes, so I don't suggest following any stocks I buy, or I'm not playing to beat the market, just to show you how the simulation works. Okay, so if we go to the leaderboard here, we see that Lily has already made $270,000 on 11 trades. So if you're curious as to how Lily did that, you can just click into her portfolio, and you can view here, this green bar. You can review what stocks made her the most money, and then you get the stock symbols, and you can go ahead and review those stocks and see if that might be something of interest to you. Now, going back to the overview for our class, we can see that Nima is in second place with 32 trades. He made 53,000. Not sure how to pronounce this. Furion made 6 trades and 44,000. Mohammed made 12 trades and 27,000. Benjamin made 12 trades and 27,000 also. Lewis, 7 trades, 25,000. So you can see that rounding out the top 10, we have a number of people who've made over 17,000 already, and it's only week 1. So we have an open competition here, so you can click into any of these players and kind of see what they're working with. And it's very simple to trade stocks. Once you know of a stock to trade, you just buy it. For example, if I wanted to buy AT&T, I can type in AT&T. And if I don't find it, I know the stock symbol is T, so here's AT&T. I'll just click on trade, and then they use the slider to see maybe I want to buy 747 trades, stocks, shares, and then there is I'll just move this up. There's a submit order button here, and then it submits the order, and I have to wait. Usually takes 20 minutes for it to process when the market's open. So if you submit orders after the market's closed, you will not see it. So you can view the rankings, which I was doing before, of who's in first place. And you can go into, when you go into your portfolio, you can review your portfolio, the stocks in your portfolio, your portfolio's performance on any given day. You can also check your history, your pending orders. So I have no pending orders right now. Here's my order history. And I can check the market news here from Marketwatch, give me some more idea of stocks to buy. You can also, a book I suggest is One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. This is a good book for first-time stock traders to get a little bit more ideas, to know and how to research and how to think of stocks to buy. You can go to Yahoo Finance, and in Yahoo Finance they have news reports. They have a listing of stocks that you could look at. They have all sorts of business news about different stocks, earnings reports, stocks to buy, things to look at. They have quick finds on cryptocurrencies, trending stocks, what's hot today, the most active stocks, the biggest gainers today. So 5 is a big gainer today at 15%. And we have stock losers today, what stocks are losing money. So maybe I like this stock 5. I can go back to my portfolio, type that in. It finds it real quick. Trade. I'll buy about 1,000 shares and submit my order. Okay. You can also go to Google Finance. In Google Finance, they have top stories. They also have indexes on currencies. Let's see. If you go to a stock market summary, world markets, local markets, they can look at different Dow Jones, industrial average, give you the latest changes, latest stories that you can read about stocks and stock news and stocks that are on the move. And so Google Finance, Yahoo Finance, even Marketwatch are three great areas to look up and research and think about stocks to buy. And I have to say, if you really have no idea what stocks to buy, read this book. It's a pretty inexpensive book, usually about $10 or less if you buy it used. Gives you a good idea of how to think about and what stocks you can buy. A bad idea is emailing me and asking me what stocks you should buy, because I'm not going to give any students individual stock advice. So you need to really think about it, open your eyes, read some articles, talk to some people, go to some different websites. Another good website is the Motley Fool. So the website is www.fool.com, Fool. So it's the Motley Fool. And this is a great website to learn about how to invest. They have a bunch of information how to invest, to talk about stocks, the latest stock market news, gainers and losers for the market, dividend growth, popular stocks that people are trading. And they have, it's a great place to learn about stocks in general. And they usually have a bunch of, if you go through the website, a bunch of information and stock advice to look at and review. Great site for beginners to think about what stocks you may want to buy and how to research them a little bit more. And they usually have some trending news, top large cap stocks to buy right now. A great article if you want to kind of see what stocks are hot and on the large cap stocks and things that people are buying. So another great website to learn and think about stocks you can buy. And the key thing about this stock market simulation is you're not getting graded on how much money you make. You're getting graded on the fact that you must make 5 trades a week to qualify to earn the points in this. And remember, when you trade stocks here, when you make a trade, there are things that you can do that we're going to start learning in Chapter 3. You don't have to always do a market order. You can do a limit order or a stop order. So there are different orders that you can make that you should think about. You can also sell short. You don't have to buy long. You can sell short. And these are things that we're going to start learning this week in Chapter 3. So there's other things you can do, not just buying stocks. You can sell them short. You can put in specialized orders like a limit order. So look to Chapter 3 for more information about that. Okay, so that's my quick little wrap up on the stock market simulation. So make sure if you're one of those 3 students who haven't registered yet, you register and make your 5 trades by Friday for the first week. And remember, your trades are only going to execute during market hours, which are 9:30 to 4. And I hope you found this short video helpful. And good luck in the trading simulation.